Hello everyone. So in previous video I was explaining you the for class 12 solution chapter. We have discussed already in previous video that strength of solution, what is the solution, what is the solutes, what is the solvent, what is the meaning of molarity, what is the percentage strength, percentage weight by weight, percentage weight by volume, percentage volume by volume, as well as molality I was explained. Molarity and molality I was explaining in the previous video. Now I am going to explain you fourth number, that is mole fraction. That is mole fraction. That is related to the solution chapter because in class 11th also given in first some basic concept of chemistry, and class 12th that is given also in solution. So this is beneficial for class 11th student also as well as class 12th student. So now mole fraction. Fraction, what is the meaning of fraction? Fraction means, what is the meaning of fraction? Fraction means which dissociate from one. जो एक से डिसोसिएट होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फ्रैक्शन. मोल फ्रैक्शन. अब मोल का फ्रैक्शन, एक मोल का फ्रैक्शन, इट मीन्स इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय फर्स्ट एक्स. मोल फ्रैक्शन मीन्स दैट इज मोल का फ्रैक्शन, मोल को डिवाइड करना है. फ्रैक्शन का मीनिंग क्या होता है कि फ्रैक्शन मीन्स विच डिसोसिएट फ्रॉम वन, जो एक से डिसोसिएट हो. अब नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मोल फ्रैक्शन. Mole fraction is represented by x. Like suppose if I will take the solution having a component a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c plus d, जितने भी component चाहो आप ऐड कर सकते हो. If a component, like आपने एक solution बना दिया, clear? तो a, that what is the weight of a? That is WA. What is the molecular weight of a? That is MA. What is the weight of B? That is WB. What is the molecular weight? That is WB. Sorry, this weight and this one is the molecular weight, MB. What is the weight of C? That is WC and molecular weight is MC. Clear? So this is the weight of A, B and C and molecular weight of A and B, C. I taken 3 component, you can take 4 component, 5 component, चाहे जितना भी component होगा, solution एक है, पूरा solution एक है. तो you can say that mole fraction of A. किसी का mole fraction पूछ सकता है कि A का mole fraction बताइए, B का mole fraction बताइए, C का mole fraction बताइए. तो आप mole fraction जिसका भी पूछेगा, अगर सपोज एक से ज़्यादा कंपोनेंट 2, 3, 5 जितने भी होंगे, जिसका भी पूछे आप सिंपल एक लाइन याद रखिए, जिसका पूछेगा उसके बटे टोटल, उसके क्या मोल. अब आपको एग्जाम में नहीं लिख देना है, बोर्ड के एग्जाम में, उसके मोल बटे टोटल मोल. टोटल मोल, उसके मोल मतलब जिसका पूछ रहा है. लाइक सपोज इफ क्वेश्चन आस्क मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ ए, देन मोल ऑफ ए अपॉन टोटल मोल, मोल ऑफ ए प्लस मोल ऑफ बी प्लस मोल ऑफ सी. दिस इज ओनली फॉर द, आप याद रखने के लिए मैं बोल दिया हूं कि जिसका पूछेगा उसके बटे टोटल, उसके क्या, उसके मोल बटे टोटल मोल. अब हमने कहा कि मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ ए बताओ, तो ए का मोल फ्रैक्शन Na डिवाइडेड बाई Na प्लस Nb प्लस Nc. दिस इज टोटल मोल. दिस इज जिसका पूछा है. यहाँ पे देखो ए का पूछ रहा है तो ए का मोल. अगर आप बी का पूछ रहा हो, यू कैन राइट Nb डिवाइडेड बाई Na प्लस Nb प्लस Nc. क्लियर? इसी तरह से अगर C का पूछ रहा है तो Nc डिवाइडेड बाई Na प्लस Nb प्लस Nc. क्लियर? जिसका मोल फ्रैक्शन पूछेगा उसके मोल डिवाइडेड बाई टोटल मोल. क्लियर? बिकॉज दिस इज द फ्रैक्शन. अब बेटा फ्रैक्शन मीन्स पहले ही बताया कि दिस डिसोसिएट फ्रॉम वन. इट मीन्स व्हेन यू विल ऐड XA प्लस XB प्लस XC दैट इज इक्वल टू 1. तो जितने भी कंपोनेंट होंगे उन सब का सम किसके बराबर हो जाएगा? 1 के. क्लियर? तो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ A, मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ B एंड मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ C. नाउ डेफिनेशन इफ यू वांट टू राइट डाउन, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल दैट mole fraction means it is the simple ratio of mole of one component with respect to all component. Mole fraction is the simple ratio of mole of one component with respect to all component. So this is the formula and definition. If you want, you can write like that. Different definition, बड़ा definition book में दिया है. There no need to learn that. Very simple definition. It is the simple ratio of or mole of one component with respect to all component. Like xb is equal to mole of b upon total. xc is equal to mole of c upon total. And because mole fraction means which dissociate from 1, then xa plus xb plus xc is equal to 1. Clear? I hope it is clear. Formula also clear. Any problem? If any problem, then you can ask on comment box. Now I am going to give you the relation with mole fraction with molarity. Means mole fraction with molarity. इसको थोड़ा सा रब कर देता हूँ. Either first I am going to explain the next topic, then I will give the relation. Now fifth one is the normality. Normality. This is very important for the volumetric analysis. Means mole 2. When we will discuss the problem related to the equivalent weight or will related to the volumetric analysis, then it is very much useful. यहाँ पे solution chapter में इसका use कम है. मोल फ्रैक्शन का यूज बहुत ज़्यादा है, मोलैलिटी का यूज बहुत ज़्यादा है, बट नॉर्मेलिटी का यूज इन दिस चैप्टर इज वेरी लेस, सोल्यूशन चैप्टर. So that is why I am not going to too much detail here, but when I will give you the mole 2 means volumetric analysis related problem, that time again I will give you in detail. But normality, what is the meaning of normality? You can say that number of gram equivalent number of gram equivalent weight dissolve in per liter of solution is known as normality of solution. Number of gram equivalent dissolved in per liter of solution is known as normality of the solution. Number of gram equivalent weight. Now what is the meaning of equivalent weight? Equivalent weight, if you will say that equivalent weight, what is the meaning of equivalent weight? So you can define that equivalent weight of that weight of substance which can combine with 1 gram of hydrogen. Equivalent weight वह weight होता है जो 1 ग्राम हाइड्रोजन से जुड़ा हो. Either 12 gram of carbon, either 8 gram of oxygen. तो you can define also equivalent weight. देखो कैसे होगा, like HCl, HBr. If I will say the equivalent weight, तो you know that 35.5 HCl, hydrogen 1. तो here see 1 gram combined with 35.5. तो इस HCl का equivalent weight कितना हो जाएगा? 36.5 divided by 1. Same as HBr, 80 gram plus 1, then when you will add 81 total divided by 1, because total is having 1 gram of hydrogen. Means equivalent weight is that weight of substance which can combine or displace 1 gram of hydrogen, 12 gram of carbon, 8 gram of oxygen, 35.5 gram of chlorine, 80 gram of bromine, 127 gram of iodine. That can definition of equivalent weight. I hope you all understand. I will explain the equivalent weight. Equivalent weight is that weight of substance which can combine or displace 1 gram of hydrogen, 12 gram of carbon, 8 gram of oxygen, 35.5 gram of chlorine, 80 gram of bromine, 127 gram of iodine. So that is the definition of equivalent weight. But here we are not going to solve problem related to the mole 2, that is why इसका यूज कम है. बट व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ नॉर्मलिटी? इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. number of gram equivalent weight dissolved in per liter of solution is normality. Now normality is equal to, suppose अगर if v liter of solution, ऐसे आप कह सकते हो, if v liter of solution dissolve E equivalent of solute, that is equivalent of solute, that can be represented by E, then 1 liter solution, how much? That is equal to E by V in liter, that is known as normality of solution. Clear? That is known as normality of solution. Now you can define number of gram equivalent of solute dissolved in per liter of solution is known as normality. E is equal to, that is weight upon equivalent weight. Weight upon equivalent weight. So you can write, and volume ml is given, so that is volume liter when you will convert into ml divided by 1000. Again you will put here the value. Normality is equal to, that is weight upon equivalent weight upon divided by V ml upon 1000. So you can write weight into 1000 upon equivalent weight into V ml. So this is the formula of normality, you can write. Clear? Weight, this is the weight of solute, this is equivalent weight of solute. How will find out the equivalent weight? Equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight divided by equivalent factor. Now again one term, what is the meaning of equivalent factor? Equivalent factor means, like suppose if you will take the H2SO4, so here in H2SO4 replaceable hydrogen is 2, so that is why their equivalent factor is 2. It means you can say that charge on, very simple, charge on cation or anion, replaceable hydrogen or hydroxyl ion. So charge is very simple on the basis of that equivalent factor. Like अगर Na2CO3 दे दिया, what is the equivalent factor? You will divide, that is 2Na plus CO3 minus. What is the charge? 2. The equivalent factor you can write 2. Molecular weight divided by equivalent factor. Then you will get the equivalent weight. Clear? So this is the formula to find out the normality of solution. I hope it is clear. Normality. Clear? Next term is given formality. Formality is just formality. You know, compound are two types. One is the stoichiometric compound, one is non-stoichiometric compound. Stoichiometric compound, their formula is like in simple whole number ratio, and non-stoichiometric compound, their formula is not given in simple whole number ratio. Like suppose that if you will take the stoichiometric compound like FeO, this is a stoichiometric compound, like 1:1. But when you will write Fe.980, their formula is not simple whole number, non-stoichiometric compound. So formality is just a formality, it is related with molarity also. Formality, so you can write the definition. Formality means number of gram formula weight dissolved in per liter of solution is known as formality of solution. Number of gram formula weight dissolved in per liter of solution is known as formality of solution. So now total related terms which is related with the strength of solution is covered. That what I have covered in this topic, like here I explain you the mole fraction as well as that normality, and previously percentage strength, percentage weight by weight, percentage weight by volume, and percentage volume by volume, molarity, molality, mole fraction, normality and formality. So these topics already covered. Next video I will give you the numerical related to the strength of solution. Thank you so much.